My name is Julia Carson Sims and I'm the stage manager of Welsh National Opera and therefore the stage manager for the Tudors series. My job on those shows on stage is to run one of the wings, but also to be the key liaison person who goes out front and talks to the director.
My name's Julian Johnson, I'm the Deputy Stage Manager and I'm on the book for Anna Bolena. So any lighting cues that happen, any flying cues that happen, I talk to the relevant departments on the headsets and with the score cue particular things at particular times in time to the music, so everything happens from one control centre, which is here. And then I call singers to the stage. That also has to be timed in with how the opera's going, so they're not hanging around on stage or they're not late.
One of our jobs, which I didn't mention actually, is sort of trying to keep people as safe as possible, and that is so all of the white lining you see here, the white lines on the floor, this is all to stop people falling. So there's all those sort of elements to it, plus they've got to get used to wearing a costume for the first time.
So yesterday we did 2 orchestra rehearsals in the afternoon and 1 in the evening, and then today we'll finish off any bits that the conductor feels that he needs to work on, and then tomorrow we have a dress rehearsal.